Is your Epson ET-2803 not printing even though it's turned on? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you 4 simple fixes that solve most Epson ET-2803 printing problems. Let's get started. Welcome to Print Smart Help. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. Method 1. Restart your printer. Sometimes a simple restart is all your printer needs. Step 1. Press the power button to turn off your Epson ET-2803. Step 2. Unplug the printer's power cable from the wall outlet. Step 3. Wait for about 60 seconds. Step 4. Plug the power cable back in and turn the printer on. Step 5. Try printing a test page. Method 2. Make sure the printer isn't offline. If Windows thinks your printer is offline, it won't print anything. Step 1. Click the Start button and search for Control Panel. Step 2. Open Control Panel. Then click Hardware and Sound arrow, Devices and Printers. Step 3. Find your Epson ET-2803. Right-click it and select See What's Printing. Step 4. Click Printer in the top menu. Step 5. If Use Printer Offline is checked, click it once to remove the checkmark. Step 6. Close the window and try printing again. Method 3. Set Epson ET-2803 as the default printer. If another printer is set as the default, your documents may be sent to the wrong device. Step 1. Open Control Panel. Step 2. Go to Devices and Printers. Step 3. Locate your Epson ET-2803. Step 4. Right-click it and choose Set as Default Printer. Step 5. You should now see a green checkmark on your Epson printer. Step 6. Print a test page to check if the issue is fixed. Method 4. Restart the Print Spooler service. The Print Spooler manages all print jobs. Restarting it can clear printing errors. Step 1. Press Windows plus S and type Services. Step 2. Open the Services app. Step 3. Scroll down and find Print Spooler. Step 4. Right-click Print Spooler and select Restart. If Restart isn't available, click Stop. Wait about 10 seconds. Right-click again and select Start. Step 5. Close the Services window and try printing again. If your Epson ET-2803 is still not printing after trying these methods, the issue could be related to the printer driver, a Wi-Fi connection problem, clogged printheads, or low ink levels.
Like the video and subscribe for more printer fixes. If your printer is still showing errors after trying all the methods, call the helpline number shown on the screen for further assistance.